My name is Mohamed Hajibulo, former administrator, a businessman, and also I'm the son of the former mayor, chairman, and the former mayor of Mandera Urban Council. Today, I want to give my opinion over Rigathi Gachagua, the former vice president of Kenya. Rigathi deserves a respect. He is a statesman. He is above tribal politics. Rigathi always talks of the fact. Rigathi is somebody who sees far. Rigathi doesn't have any enmity for the Somali community. Rigathi, if he has mentioned that PBS Mall, Pesa, in Minnesota, we do wonder with our elected leaders from Northeastern, instead of talking about the drought, the insecurity, lack of proper roads, they wholesomely always condemn Gachagua. Gachagua has no enmity for the Somali community. If they want to create a rift between the Mount Kenya people and Somalis, that won't happen. The Somalis stay all over Mount Kenya region, from Kibiribiri to Timau, to Naivasha, to Rumrutu. They live with Kikuyu community peacefully. They are interacting each other. Na hakuna shida yote kati ya Somali na Wakenya wenzetu wengine. Hiyo ni moja. Ya pili, ninauliza swali moja. If he has pinpointed somebody, why condemn Gachagua as a tribalist? Are they not tribalists when they are ganging up and condemning Gachagua plus his tribesmen? Take for example, go to Laikipia Nyanyuki. The former MB is a Somali. Go to up to Mijini Muranga. There's a Somali MCA. In Kiambu, several chief officers are Somali community. Kwa hivyo, hawa wakomishe. Mwisho kabisa. Kwa hivyo, we are in support of Gachagua. We are supporting him. Kwa hivyo, Gachagua is there. We are in support of Gachagua. I'm appealing to all the residents of Mount Kenya regional Somalis to come and demonstrate against the few disgruntled leaders, elected leaders, who always condemn Gachagua. Thank you very much.